Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. jdevinci here with another wig install. This time the hair is from West Kiss. I have ordered from them previously and I absolutely love all the wigs that I've gotten from this company. So I hope you guys enjoy. This is a super easy, very beginner friendly, low maintenance wig. It came pre-plucked and bleached. So if you don't know how to do that, they've like already got it ready for you to go. I hope you guys enjoy this beginner friendly wig install. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let's hop straight into it.
Stop playing with him.
jdevinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me and his bitch.
So this is the inside cap construction. Beautiful. Like, this wig is so bomb. So we're going to just put this wig on her hair. You guys, we're doing this super quick wig install. Right now, we're just kind of like trying on the wig. This wig is pre-plucked, pre-bleached. It already came, you know, ready to go. So I'm not really doing much of anything. So we're gonna use this glueless Erica J. And I'm gonna use, uh-oh. Now we're gonna just lay the wig on there, even though that really wasn't like a lot of glue at all. Kind of just going to hold it down. Spray some more. So we're gonna do this one side at a time, but I'm gonna just kind of like spray. We're gonna repeat the step to the other side. So we're gonna go on with the headband that they gave us. I'm gonna kind of like to bring it from the back. While we wait, I want to give you guys some specs on this hair. So this is an 18-inch, 180 density wig. Your wig does come in, you know, plastic bag. This is what the hair looks like. I mean, the box, this is what the box looks like. They give you a bonnet, silky bag, lashes, an edges brush, the wig cap. So when it comes to parting wise, it's a frontal, so you get deep parting space. Deep parting space. Okay, so we got to figure out how we want to wear the hair, but for 18 inches I feel like it's giving more 16, but I'm definitely still very happy with what I got. Okay, when we take this off, this is what it looks like. Okay, personally I think it looks really good. It looks really natural. Okay, so we're gonna cut it off together. So to cut it off, take your time because we've got scissors.
Cut yourself.
Exactly. Okay, so this time I'm using my scissors. Normally I go in with like a razor. Okay. So we're gonna cut it off and then I'm gonna show you guys how to fix that. Okay, so this is what it looks like, not blended. Like, I haven't been able to blend it yet. I just cut all the way lace off and I try to cut it off as close as I can. I'm gonna go back in with that spray and we're gonna have to move fast so we don't mess up our hair. Move fast. This is how we're gonna fix it, and you have to move fast so you don't mess up what you got going on. Because since we didn't like actually glue it down, it's more prone to relifting. But you see, it's kind of disappearing. Oh, okay, I gotta move a little faster. Like, I can already feel it. tie it on as tight as you can. So the longer you leave this part on, the better. Low key, I like how their headband, like I can wear it out. Like that's cute. So the longer you leave the headband on, the better, but we're finna take it off. And kind of take your time. All right, it looks good. I think it looks delicious. I was thinking that I wasn't gonna wear a wig. Like, I think I'm wearing this. So what I'm doing is just combing at the root. So this is what the hair looks like in its natural state. The hairline is gorgeous. We could do like baby hairs. Couldn't, if you want to. But you see the parting space? I'm gonna do something like this because I don't necessarily want to do anything too dressy. All right, I think I'm gonna just like French braid it. Cool. And we're gonna just take it a bit. All right, so I got my little face powder, and I normally don't do this, but it definitely helps to just extra blend this little line. And you could go back in with some more like spray. Okay, so that powder helps extra blend stuff. Okay, so this is how the hair turned out. I just put a little braid in the front just so you guys can see the versatility. I did not add any additional baby hairs, but if you wanted to, you definitely could do some beautiful dramatic baby hairs. I love the texture of this hair because it's not like too wavy and it's not too straight. It's just giving the loosest body wave. So if you're ever going on vacation, I do think that this texture is the most ideal because you can straighten it, you can curl it, you can crimp it, you know, you can add more texture to the hair rather than going for like a super curly hairstyle on vacation and then it like matting up. But I like this. This is cute. I like the length. I do kind of want to like blunt chop it a bit. The texture is great. The lace is very melty. So if you're looking for a beautiful melted, you're a beginner and you really don't know what to do, I love this lace. I love the fact that it did come pre-plucked and it came pre-bleached. So if you don't know how to do that, then they've already done it for you. I think it's giving like Lord of the Rings, but in a good way. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick wig install. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And overall, I think that this is going to be a great wig choice. I think I'm gonna end up bringing this one with me on my vacation because I like how low maintenance it's gonna be. But yeah, bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like jdevincicollabs.